How to remove the Mazda CX-9 2007 to 2016 front door panel. First, we'll remove the inner door mirror cover with a plastic tool. Just get in between, and it's only held on by clips and it comes off quite easily. Next, where the door open handle is, there's a little cover that you'll need to remove, just like so. And underneath, there will be a Phillips screw that you'll need to remove. Next, where the door pull handle is, again with a plastic tool, and from this side, you'll need to pull this cover off and slide it to the left as it slots in on the front side over here. Underneath, there'll be two 10mm bolts that you'll need to remove. And next, you can use your hands, and from the sides, you'll need to pull the bottom out of the door panel first, as it's only held on by clips on the inside. Be gentle, as these clips can break. First, pull the bottom out, and what you'll need to do is slide it upwards to detach it from the window seal. And this is the same way you would put it back. You will first slide in the top and then push on the clips. Once the door panel is out of position, what you'll need to do is detach the door open handle cables, as you see in the video. And then you will need to unplug. And also you'll need to remove the courtesy light, which I forgot to do in this video. Just to show you a tip, make sure the clips are on door panel over here, these white ones. So if there's any left on the door, take them off the door and put it onto this door panel. It makes refitting much easier. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.